How to make Cricut mat sticky again. Step 1. Grab a steel scraper tool. Step 2. Scrape the mat to clean the dirt buildup. Step 3. Clean the scraper tool and scrape down the rest of the mat. Step 4. Turn the mat to the side and repeat the process. Step 5. Once done, check and see if the mat has become sticky. Step 6. If the mat is still not sticky enough, grab a roll of painter's tape and tape down the edges of the mat. Step 7. Apply a coat of glue evenly on the mat. Step 8. Let it dry and the mat should be sticky. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.